Hello friends, welcome to Joy Shaving channel, and today we are going to do an international shave. And my purpose to do this international shave is specifically for our group India International Vet Shavers, where people from all across the world share their thoughts for good product knowledge sharing and innovation and ideas. Let's begin the shave. Okay, so I've thought to take the good products from India, some good local products, and then some good international products. So from the international standpoint, I'm going to use the King C Gillette double-edged safety razor, the blades which come with it, Ariana and Ivan's Saint Barts, yes, Rubab Man Joy Edition shaving brush from India, 26 mm knot, and a very versatile, very nice multi-purpose cream again from India in budget, that is Boro Plus Soft. Let's lather up. Just applying some water on the beard, and I am not using any pre-shave products as such today because I want to experience the slickness and the performance of just this shaving soap. Okay, so this is Ariana and Ivan's Saint Barts. Okay, the scent of it is very different. Very fresh kind of scent. I like it. It feels slightly woody. Yeah, but I cannot recognize exactly which notes are there. But yeah, feels slightly woody and fresh. Maybe like when we develop the lather, probably we'll know about this fragrance more. Okay, so this is how the shaving soap looks. Okay, Ariana Neiman's Saint Barts, and if I may read, this does have tallow. Okay. Brush 26 mm Joy Edition from Rubab. Okay, and I have not applied any water on the soap as such. Okay, not put any water on the soap before this, so I'm just going to collect some suds on the brush. Okay, about 30 swirls for now, and if the need be, we will take more soap as required. Okay, I'm going to spread the suds first on the beard, okay, and then start the swirling motions or the scrubby motions for developing a good lather. Yeah, again, feels woody, definitely feels woody. Some drops of water on the brush bristles. And I have made sure to use soft water, especially for being fair with the soap so that it lathers well. Now, as of now, I'm really happy with this lather. Okay, this may not be very thick or cushiony lather, but yeah, it is slightly pasty. Okay, and yeah, I'm kind of liking it. Okay, now I've had enough swirling motions and painting motions both. Okay, let's begin to shave now. Alright, so King C Gillette double-edged safety razor. Okay, so this is how it looks. Nice and heavy handle, and this kind of head. Okay, design wise, it's somewhere in between, I think, the Edwin Jagger and Mercer, with this slightly scalloped base plate design. But yeah, when we'll shave with it, we'll come to know how exactly it performs. Okay, King C Gillette blades Okay, this is how they are stored in this butter paper or wax paper, whatever you want to call it. And wow, very nice. This looks like a signature. Looks like a signature at the top. Okay, load this blade in the razor head, top cap and base plate, and tighten up the handle. Let's start the shave. Alright, so as you can see, I have already cleared the sideburns, had this line cleared as well. Now let's begin to shave. I have a bit kind of knurling here, okay, engraved knurling, and which adds to the grip. Otherwise the handle is very smooth from this part. So in case if we may feel slippery, that the handle is slippery with the soap etc., then we can use alum and then form a grip on this. Okay, so first pass with the grain. Let's begin. My beard growth is about 4 to 5 days. Okay. Blades definitely don't feel very sharp. But yeah, they are getting the job done. If I can see delivering a manageable good shave. But yeah, don't feel very sharp, and the razor also feels very mild. Okay. Slickness of the shaving soap is good. The glide which it is providing to the razor and blade is very good. And after the shaving soap lather gets removed from here, it does not feel dry also. That's a good thing. Okay. Chin area is slightly difficult for me because of the density of the hair. It is slightly more as compared to other beard parts. Or I should say other parts of the beard. My English is not that good, but I hope you are able to understand. Okay. Alright, so left side. Okay, now I don't know what has happened, what phenomena is happening with this blade, but for the first few strokes, okay, till I was shaving here, you may rewind and see, I wasn't feeling this blade to be very sharp, but somehow now it is feeling relatively sharper. I don't know whether it is because of the coating on the edge or something which has to be removed in the first few strokes. Probably corking the blade may help in these cases. Like I have also heard that some people say Big Chrome Platinum is not that sharp on the first shave, but it is sharper on the second one. Personally, I feel it is sharper from the first shave itself, but I have seen people mention this in different forums. Some people have different experience with feather blades, so we understand that there is no, one setting works for everyone kind of thing. It is always relative and subjective. So someone may like feather blade a lot and someone may hate them a lot. That may happen at the same time with two different people. Okay. Okay, yeah, I can say very smooth in the chin area. I am not feeling any challenges, any tugging, any pulling as such. It is relatively smooth. Slickness of the soap is good. The glide which it provided to the razor and blade, I have no complaints about it. There is no significant fragrance left as such now. During the starting of the lather, I was getting slightly more fragrance, slightly more woody fragrance. Now I'm just getting some whiffs of it. It is there, but it is not very strongly present, which in a way I like, because I like subtle fragrances as such. For that matter, I do review fragrances and Indian traditional attars also, concentrated perfume oils. Do give those videos a look as well. Thank you. Okay, so I think this needs a top up. Okay, so we'll just top this up. Hulk Hogan. Hulk Hogan. Alright. Okay, so the first pass is done. Okay, this is a clean look with respect to how clean we can get in the first pass. But yeah, we definitely need a pass number 2. Let's lather up and talk more in the pass number 2. Still good glide present on the face, so no drying effect as such. Which is a good thing. The slickness of this shaving soap is very nice. Lathering for pass number 2. First would like to check how much lather we have got left on the shaving brush. Okay. Definitely can add some more water to this shaving soap. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so the lather did enhance a bit after adding water, and the consistency also reduced slightly. It became slightly thinner compared to what it was in pass number 1. But I'm okay with this lather on pass number 2 because the stubble, most of the stubble is already gone, about 90 to 95%, and we just need to shave the remaining 5 or so percent. So this much thin lather is absolutely fine. But yeah, I'm very happy with this shaving soap. It did lather well, and on the second pass also it has sufficient amount of lather present. So I did clear the sideburns and neckline again, and I would do across the growth on cheeks. Sometimes I just do 2 passes with the grain because I generally don't attempt and don't expect myself to get a very close shave, okay, like a baby bottom smooth shave. I can get that, I have got that before with the shavettes also, but I really don't attempt that because in most of such cases, I have felt uncomfortable or irritated on the next day because of sweating. And then that irritation, does impact your day-to-day routine. So I would like to avoid that. But yeah, when I am comfortable with the shaving soap and the products which I am using, then I generally do a pass number 2 with across the growth on my cheeks and either with the grain or against the grain on my neck. Yeah, this razor is definitely mild. And very nice. Yep. But it is very heavy, handle heavy definitely, and quite nicely built razor. So again, now I think people shouldn't have complained with Gillette that they have stopped the safety razor altogether. They do have the Gillette Sterling. We have a budget razor here in rupees 100, that is Gillette Sterling, and one of the very nice blades, Gillette 7 o'clock Super Platinum, which comes with it. So both the combination of both Gillette Sterling and Gillette 7 o'clock Super Platinum is great. It is probably used by a lot of people. So yeah, can't complain anymore that Gillette does not have any safety razors or double edge razors in their portfolio. However, we as wet shaving enthusiasts would like Gillette to produce more such razors, more variety of razor, adjustables, okay, Gillette Tech designs, Gillette Open Comb designs, okay, pre-war era, and those 1916, 1917, 1960, okay, those razors and all. And while talking, I just did against the grain on my neck area as well. Very nice, very smooth, comfortable, no challenge, very smooth shave. Yep. After many days, I have attempted to have across the growth on my cheeks and against the grain on my neck, and I'm very happy about it. So in the meanwhile, I just washed my face with cold water, okay, and I could feel that the shave was very nice and very effective. Now I want to apply an aftershave, my tried and tested multi-purpose cream, Boro Plus Soft, which works as a daily moisturizer, which works as a healing cream, night healing cream, and I've also discovered that it does work very effective as a thin aftershave balm or an aftershave cream as well. So this is good. I mean, people, it's not possible for everyone in India to spend a lot of money on, traditional wet shaving products, etc. So budget products are highly appreciated because India is a price sensitive market. Okay, we all know that. And this is one of the products which basically, kind of replaces the need of using very high end aftershave balms or creams. Okay, very high end. I'm talking about the very high end. Okay, and it solves the purpose of providing a good aftershave moisture, and it is antiseptic and it is Ayurvedic as well. Okay, it is soft. So the consistency of this is like the Nivea White Soft moisturizer, but yeah, I mean slightly even thinner than that I feel. And it does not have any mineral oil or liquidium, paraffin liquid, whatever that is. It does not have that. So this is good. Okay, Boro Plus Soft. Alright, so the shave is done. I'm very happy with it. After a long time, I did have a very comfortable, smooth, near BBS shave. I won't call it a BBS. I would call it a near BBS shave. It is smooth, it is presentable, and that's what I generally look for to achieve in my shave. As I personally feel, we all need to achieve a balance between the closeness and comfort. However, the priority should always be comfort, because if the skin is irritated or if you do not feel comfortable, then that does affect your day-to-day routine. Share the link of India International Wet Shavers Facebook group. Do consider joining it. Do consider subscribing Joy Shaving channel for more shaving and fragrance related videos. I always look forward to your suggestions in the comment section and your support. Thank you very much for joining today. Keep up the good shaves. Bye bye. Namaskar.